Welcome to Ersa on Productronica 2023. Today we're going to introduce you the VERSAFLOW ONE, the one for everyone, your entry into the Ersa world. The VERSAFLOW ONE uses the exact same technologies we are used from the VERSAFLOW platform, which has been a long proven selective soldering line. We use the exact same fluxing heads and flux tanks, we use the same heating technology and the same solder pots. At the fluxing area, we now have two flux heads in this machine. This is the X-Series. X-Series means we can process two boards behind each other at the same time, or one long board. One long board of 610 mm or two shorter boards of 350 mm long. In the preheating zone, we use the well-known preheating technology we use in all VERSAFLOW machines. Shortwave infrared from bottom side, medium wave infrared in combination with convection from the top side. When we come to the heart of the selective soldering machine, the solder pot, we can see that also here we use a known, established Ersa technology. VERSAFLOW ONE X-Series, where in one solder module we have two solder pots behind each other in X direction, where we can solder two boards in parallel behind each other. Or we can drive two pots together and work with two different nozzle sizes. One solder module for XF, two solder modules and four pots for XFF, where we have the fastest machine in class. This was our brand new VERSAFLOW ONE X-Series, your entry into the Ersa world. If you want to know more, please visit our website at www.kurzersa.com or please pay us a visit in Wertheim. See you.